Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start this week's last tech talk with Realme. Realme confirms that their Realme 9i, that is the first smartphone with 6nm architecture based Snapdragon 680 processor, is going to be launched on 18th of January in India. Realme 9 Pro series sketches are leaked by smarttricks.com. According to smarttricks.com, this smartphone will feature a 6.43-inch AMOLED display. It will be a 5G device, a 64 megapixel triple rear camera with the Sony customized main sensor, will be in 6GB or 8GB RAM variants, 128GB storage, Android 12, 3.5mm audio jack, 5000 mAh battery, could be available in Aurora Green and Sunrise Blue colors, and this series is expected to be launched in February or March in the global market. Samsung launched its Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 in India. This tablet has 10.5-inch FHD Plus TFT LCD display with the 1920 by 1200 pixels resolution, Unisoc T618 processor, 8 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel front camera, 7040 mAh battery with the 15-watt charging, quad speakers powered by Dolby Atmos, 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, Android 11 with One UI 3.1. This tablet is 6.9mm thick and it weighs 508 grams. And this tablet is available in grey, silver and pink colors. This tablet is launched in a single variant of 3GB 32GB at the price of Rs 17,999. Huawei launched its Huawei P50 Pro in Malaysia in golden black and cocoa gold colors in a single variant of 8GB 256GB at a price of 4199 Malaysian ringgit, that is around rupees 74,000. Huawei also launched its Huawei P50 Pocket in Malaysia in white and premium gold colors, and this smartphone is launched in two variants. The price of 8GB 256GB variant is 5,999 Malaysian ringgit, that is around rupees 1,05,000, and the price of 12GB 512GB variant is 72.99 Malaysian ringgit, that is around rupees 1,28,000. TECNO teased its upcoming TECNO POVA Neo, and this smartphone is going to be launched in India soon. This smartphone will have a 6.8-inch HD Plus water drop dot notch LCD, 120Hz refresh rate, 720 by 1640 pixels resolution display, 13 plus 2 megapixel AI dual rear cameras, 8 megapixel selfie snapper, a massive 6000 mAh battery with 18 watt charging, Android 11 with iOS 7.6, and could be launched in a single variant of 6GB 128GB. Redmi Note 11S with 108 megapixel quad rear cameras is soon going to be launched in India. Rolls-Royce Ghost Black Badge is confirmed to be launched in India soon. This Rolls-Royce Ghost Black Badge will be powered by a powerful 6.75-liter V12 engine. It produces power and torque of 600 horsepower and 900 nanometers. It will also have all-wheel drive and all-wheel steering to improve driving dynamics and reduce body roll under harder cornering. And it is expected to be priced around rupees 6.95 crores as of ex-showroom. Mitsubishi Outlander RALLIART concept has been revealed at Tokyo's Auto Salon. MG ZS EV facelift is going to be launched next month with a bigger battery and longer range. YEZDI launched its YEZDI Roadster, YEZDI Scrambler and YEZDI Adventure bikes at a starting price of Rs 1,98,000. Honda launched its Honda CB300R 2022 version at a price of Rs 2,77,000. Yamaha E01 electric scooter has been spied while testing. TORK KRATOS electric motorbike is going to be launched this month in India. This is all in today's Tech Talks. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. Now I will see you all on Monday with the next fresh episode of Tech Talks by Ballo. I wish you a very happy weekend. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water and don't forget to wear the mask.